Watch this carefully, because the way you think about money is the exact reason you don't have millions yet. Most people try to manifest money, but they're doing it completely wrong. They focus on wanting money, but billionaires focus on becoming the person who attracts money. Step 1. Shift your identity. Stop saying, "I want to be rich." Start thinking, "I am someone who creates wealth," because your identity controls your reality. Step 2. Visualize with emotion. Close your eyes and see your life with millions. Feel it, live it, experience it daily. The brain doesn't know the difference between real and imagined. Step 3. Remove scarcity thinking. If you think money is hard, it will be. If you believe opportunities are everywhere, they will show up. Step 4. Take aligned action. Manifestation is not magic. It's belief plus action. Every day, do something that moves you closer to wealth. Step 5. Stay consistent. This is where most people fail. They quit too early, but the universe rewards those who don't stop. Millions are not created outside. They are created inside your mind first. If you're serious about changing your life, check the link in the description right now. This could be the decision that changes everything.